Hey everyone, this is Saurabh Mathur, and in this video I'll be giving you my full review of Playboost. So if you're not sure what exactly Playboost is, then Playboost lets you create animated thumbnail images for your videos, which you can put them on your sales pages, on your blogs, on your websites. So this type of animated image it will create for you, which you are seeing on the sales page of Playboost. So if this product interests you, then stick with me as I'll be showing you the members area of Playboost, and I'll be also revealing you my custom bonuses which I've chosen for Playboost. So first of all, let's check the sales page of Playboost. The main headline says that it's the world's first and only 100% compliant tool to solve autoplay apocalypse and boost your views from existing videos to bring you leads and sales in 3 simple steps. So as you know, the autoplay feature for videos on most of the browsers have been shut down. So the videos are no longer auto-played. You have to manually press the button to play the videos. So the engagement rate on those videos, on those sales pages have gone down considerably. So what Playboost going to help you, you can create animated thumbnail images that will make the visitor click on that video and play it. Let's say you've got an image like this. So you can see it's animated and you see some animation and you just have to click on play and the video will be played that way. What this is going to help you, that it's going to help you to boost your leads and sales without creating more videos. You can use your existing videos and put those animated thumbnail images on top of those. So these eye-catching thumbnail images attract more views to your videos. As I told you, it plugs directly into any new or existing videos. So it doesn't matter if you have got a 1-year-old video, you can still create animated thumbnail for that video and put that on your sales page or your website. Basically, the animated thumbnail images created through Playboost will help you to capture attention of the visitor. If you are on a web page, if you are on a sales page and there is that image popping out, something asking you to just click on it, you have got that natural instinct to just click on that video. So that will help you to get more leads, more sales. So this is an example of the usual thumbnail, usual image what you see on the sales pages and on your blogs, and you can turn this into this using Playboost. You can see these images, these GIFs, and all these nice looking thumbnails. So now let me take you to the members area of Playboost and I'll show you how easy it is to create this animated thumbnail. So as soon as you log into your Playboost account, you will come into the dashboard section, and from here on the left hand side you will see different options to create and settings and help and all that stuff. So all you have to do is you need to go to create, and from here you have to choose a video platform where you have hosted your video. So you can choose from different video platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, Videlo, Wistia, Amazon S3. So we'll pick up YouTube and you have to put the URL. So now let me just grab one URL from here. That's my Playboost bonus video. And you just have to paste the URL here. And then you need to click on next step. Okay. And here it will open up this editor. Just move myself away. And you can see different options over here: overlay, image, text, emoji, button, and the last one is to install. So this is the default thumbnail from YouTube. So as soon as you click on the overlay, it will put an overlay on top of it. By default it will put the green color overlay, and from here you can just pick any color of your choice as well. Pick anyone. So for this demo purpose, let's go for a lighter one now. Okay, and then you can put any image on top of this thumbnail. So you have got the option to upload your own image. You can use the GIF, and these are the images from your library which you will upload here. So let's put a GIF here. So let's search for money, and it will give you all these different emoji, and it will give you all these different GIFs. Let's pick one of them. Okay, so all you have to do is just double click on the image which you want, and it will come over here, and you just have to and from here you can just place the image anywhere. So reason I got two. Let me just remove this one. Okay, and you can just resize the image. You can place it anywhere you like. So for now, let's place it over here. And next you can put text. So let's use this one, and from here you can change whatever you want. Click here to play. You can just drag and drop it anywhere you like. And then what you can also do, you can just change the font. You can change the font size. If you want to make it bigger, you can do it. You can change it to uppercase, lowercase, capitalize. So let's keep it capitalized for now. And the other good thing is the animation which you can put for any element on the image. So here you can just bounce in, shake. Yeah, shake. This one is nice. Let me just move myself away. Okay, now what you can do, you can put emojis. So let's use this one. Again, keep it anywhere we want. Let's keep it here for now. And you can put a play button. So I'll use this one. But again, by default, the color will be green. So you can change the color. For this one, we'll put red. Again, for any of the element which you're putting on the image, you can choose the animation, whatever you want. And for this one, let's pick up pulse. That's nice. Okay, for this one also you can do the emoji thing. So this is what you have to do. So as this is just for the testing purpose, I just put in the elements just to show you how you have to do. But you can take your time and create a beautiful animated image. And after you are done, how you need to put it on your sales page or in a blog, that's very easy. So Playboost will work with WordPress, with ClickFunnels, or with any other lead pages creator software which allows you to put custom HTML code. And if you click on install, here's the code which you can put on your sales page or on your website. So this is the HTML code. So if you're using WordPress, there are two ways with which you can put the Playboost animated image on your page. So I'll be showing you two ways. First of all, let me just save this image, and from here you can change the title of the video as well. So Playboost test I'll put and save it again. Alright, it is saved, and now let me show you how you can use this code in WordPress. So we'll just copy this code, and now I'll take you to my WordPress site. And from here, let's say you're creating a new post. So all you need to do is add new. Let's say test. We'll use a default editor. So first of all, what we have to do, we'll just have to put the video. So we'll add the URL for the video from here. So if we are putting this particular video, let's save it and I'll show you how it's gonna look like. So this is how it will look like without the Playboost animated image. And now in order to put the Playboost animated image code, let's go back and copy this code once again. You have to place this script above the closing of the body tag. So I'll show you what you can do. So once you are in the your post or the page editor, just click on the plus sign to add a block and just go for classic. Just search for classic. Just select the classic option, and then you need to click on these three dots and just click on edit as HTML, and here just put your code. Okay, now let's test again. Here, so as you can see, we've got our animated thumbnail image on our post page. So this is one way. The other way is to install the WordPress plugin for Playboost. So you can get the plugin by going into the settings and just click on WordPress here, download the plugin, and then you have to click here to generate the API key. You have to create a link between your blog and the Playboost server. So you have to just copy this API key. Now go to your blog. After you have installed the plugin, you will see an option for Playboost over here. Just click on it, and here just paste your API key, save. Okay, API has been successfully saved, and let me show you. Right now it is showing as inactive, so let me just go ahead and refresh the page. Alright, you can see now my blog is linked to Playboost server and it is showing as active. Now what you have to do, just go back to our post. Okay, now we had added that classic toolbar option. So the last option you will see here is for Playboost, since we have installed that plugin. So we will see that option for Playboost over here, and here you just click on. Since we only have that one video in our dashboard, which is the video 3 which we created. So you just have to select this one, and that is it. Now let me just save it. Let's go to the preview. It should still show us the thumbnail. So you have seen how easy it is to create the animated thumbnail using Playboost. So I'm sure once you use Playboost animated thumbnail images on your sales pages, on your videos, your engagement rate gonna go up, and you should be getting more leads and more sales. Okay, now coming to the price point of Playboost. Playboost Unlimited will cost you $27 and you will get unlimited animated thumbnails. The major video platforms are supported. You'll get 50 plus premium overlays. You get huge image and GIF library. You get text call to action, presets, emojis, play button, and all the good stuff. And you're also going to get the two bonuses. You'll get the bonus WordPress plugin. You'll get the video training template as the bonus. And talking about the bonus, if you decide to pick up Playboost through my link, which is down in the description below, you will get all these custom bonuses which I've created for you. They're not one, they're not two, they're 10 custom bonuses. These are high quality training videos which gonna complement Playboost. I've done a full video on my bonuses. My video is also linked in the description down below, and you can go ahead and check it out. So now, who this Playboost is actually for? If you are into internet marketing, if you are into product selling, if you've got your own online product, you can use Playboost to create animated thumbnail for your sales pages. And the other way to use Playboost is for your customers. So if you are into sales page creation, if you are into WordPress blog setup, if you are creating blog posts for someone else, for some of your customers, you can use Playboost and create animated thumbnails. So guys, right now I must tell you that Playboost, you're getting an awesome deal along for $27 along with my custom bonuses, 10 custom bonuses, and 2 are the vendor bonuses. So in $27 you're getting the Playboost, you're getting 12 bonus products. So I'll say that it's an awesome deal for anyone who decide to pick this up through my link. So my link is in the description down below. So once you click on it, you will come to this page. That's my bonus page, my review page. And if you click on any of these yellow button, you'll be directed to the sales page of Playboost. From there, you can just buy Playboost. So I hope you got some value out of my video. If you found it useful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.